Legends of Learning presents the Substance Factory game. This is a science game that makes learning about pure substances fun and easy to understand. Learn more about these pure substances as you discover and learn more science during the game. You are in a factory and you are required to sort different things into specific scientific categories covering either pure substances, mixtures, solids, liquids. As you complete tasks, you will obtain points for each item that you sort out correctly. Make sure you are selecting and identifying the pure substances correctly to earn more points. Practice using the right science skills to progress through the game because you'll be faced with different levels of difficulty. You will need to use the mouse to click and place items in different boxes in the game. Learn more about pure substances as you progress to higher levels in the game. You will be challenged with different tasks and more difficult science questions as you progress. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right science skills to help you sort out all the different substances in order to complete the game?